Hello traders, welcome to FX Mentor US, and yes, I have doubled my account just in 3 hours of trading. And please note that I was trading on gold 1 minute only. So this is not a joke, and this is even not a demo account. You can see at the top this is the Exness real account, and because I personally use Exness broker, and that's what I have recommended in my description of the videos. The link is in the description of the videos. So it has the best spreads to trade 1 minute even. So I just started this account 3 hours ago. So in order to test one of the strategy, and do not be confused with this that with 0.20 it is the 1939. So basically this is in my local currency, but overall the profit is massive because I have just doubled my account. So you can see that I have taken a lot of trades on trading 1 minute, and they can be like 20 trades, maybe 30 trades like this. So just it took me like 3 hours to double my account, and you can see I have used the lot size 0.20, 0.10. So maximum you can say that 0.30, and you can see only very few losses and rest of the trades all went positive, right? So you might be thinking that what is this actual strategy that I have used. So guys, that's why I always say that first of all it's your duty to subscribe FX Mentor US, because I am going to share a lot of strategies, and I have already shared a lot of successful strategies with you guys. So I'm also using the one of the strategy that I have reviewed on my YouTube channel, and that has given me this results. If you look at here, the deposit was 21,255, and however the profit is 34 46. That's a big profit because it is kind of a thousands, and this is deposit is in thousands as well, right? Okay, now I'm going to take you towards the strategy that is very simple, that what I used for this when I was here, what I was doing, and when it went up, what I was doing, right? So do not worry about it because I have already made a video, but today I'm going to make the detailed video that how actually I worked and which indicators I have used. So the first indicator that I have used is the BB order blocks. I have already made a proper video you can find in my YouTube channel, and that is by Trading Wolf, and it has 334 favorites right now. Okay, so you can see that I have attached this indicator on my chart, right? Okay, the second indicator that I was using is the buy sell signal by join free, right? So I'm going to use this one as well, so you can see it is attached on my screen, right? Okay, and the third indicator, let me fix this one because it's just giving a taking a much space. Okay, now the third indicator that I was using is the simple moving average exponential without any author. And you guys know very well that how much I emphasize on the simple moving average. So in the exponential moving average, and I change the length always to 200, and then I give it like say green color, right? Okay, now the setup is completely ready to trade, right? Okay, if you want to remove that line, you can check into the buy signal that maybe there is a line. Okay, anyways, let's leave it. Okay, so the strategy is very simple. The first indicator that I have attached is basically the order blocks indicator. Order blocks indicator means it tells you that, for example, if the market comes here, then it has the possibility to go into the upward direction like you have seen, right? Okay, and the one thing that it is telling you that here we have a bearish order block. So if it says that if you see that the market is dropping from this level, then you can take a sell position, because this will work as a resistance, right? So now I'm going to tell you that how I personally use, because if you look at the order block indicator, you will notice one thing, that just above the order block, it is most of the time it is not touching the order block, the green levels, but it is making a retracement. Okay, look here, it went up, here again it went up, again it went up. Okay, so what I did, I added the buy sell indicator because it works like a Bollinger Band. So I always notice that either the boundaries break or not. And the second thing that I notice in this Bollinger Band indicator is the green candles for the bullish entry, right? If the candles turn green, and if the market is above the order block and fulfilling this criteria, I go for a buy position. Please ignore the red line in the middle, just ignore this one, right? Okay, so it was a good scalping chance. Similarly, when it came down again just above the order block, the candle turned green again, it was the bullish opportunity. Then you can see it hit the red order block, and after hitting the red order block, we have just one stop loss case that the candle turned red, but unfortunately the market went up. Okay, so when the market turned against you, it doesn't mean that you will keep on holding your trade. What you will do, you will simply exit your trade because the order block gets a break. It means that now the market has maximum chances to flow into the upward direction, and that's what I did. If I show you my recent trades, then you can see buy, 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 buy. So why I was into buy? Because this is the only reason I was buying, because it has break the order block. It was already going from the order blocks. So this is the simple thing that I used. Okay, and also I take the benefit from this ranging market, because you can see it was going up, then coming down, up, down. So I get a best use from this. Okay, so just attach these three indicators. And one thing I forget to tell you about the 200 EMA. So it's always good that if you are trading with the trend, for example, let's say the market was below the 200 EMA, but still I today took the buy position based on this indicator. So you can say that you can ignore this one. I mean, you can just ignore the role of 200 EMA. That's not very necessarily, because I am telling you that in other conditions when I make the video, so it's very compulsory to use the 200 EMA. Otherwise, when you're following the order blocks, it was very good. However, I personally advise everyone to trade with the trend. And if you want to trade with the trend, for example, like let's say if you don't want to trade this bullish order block, and when it comes above the 200 EMA, you can take a buy position. So guys, this is the secret of the trading, that the account get doubled with this strategy that I have just doubled within 3 hours. So you can also double your account. Don't be so aggressive, always use the proper money management. I was watching the all trade, so I didn't set up the stop loss. So it was a quick scalping chances on gold 1 minute, right? So please note that this strategy is not limited to Forex. This is not even limited to crypto. You can trade anything that is quoted on TradingView. Just make sure that you should have a good broker, that it should cover your spreads as well, because on the 1 minute it has gained a very good successful result. So guys, what do you think? Is this a good strategy? Please let me know into the comment section, and please make sure that you subscribe FX Mentor US and like this video and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.